Snake-Tray is the leading manufacturer of cable management solutions for the solar industry. Our products are made in the USA and are designed with features to substantially lower the total cost of construction. Solar SnakeMax XL is the versatile cable manager for solar utility and commercial applications, battery storage facilities, and EV charging stations. The patented system offers a messenger wire or hard rail system, both utilizing the snap-in Solar SnakeMax clicks that maintain NEC 310.15 cable separation that can yield up to 30 watt-hours per meter more energy than bundled or trenched cables. This equals more energy and profit for the owner. The Solar SnakeMax clicks also allow for no derating of cables or trenching and can accommodate cables from 350 to 1250 kc mil. Solar SnakeMax versatility makes it a great solution for battery energy storage systems. Once again, this trenchless solution requires no derating of cables, and the cable separation allows cables to operate more efficiently. System is compatible with any inverter style or battery storage system. The Solar SnakeMax XL system is also a great system to use for EV charging stations to quickly and safely convey the power cables to the charging units. Solar Snake-Tray is a great option for rooftops, ground mounts, and car park installations. Its hand-bendable patented feature goes around any obstacle. Built-in mounting rings offer infinite mounting options, and the trays connect together with a 15-second connector. The lobster trap design secures and protects cables. Solar Snake-Tray offers a variety of rooftop mounting options to work with any rooftop. Cable trays nest together for easy material handling and low-cost shipping. Solar MegaSnake is a great for rooftop and brownfield sites. Its prefabricated straight turns, T's, and crossing grids are quick to install. A variety of rooftop mounting options can work with any rooftop. The integrated accessory rail is convenient for attaching combiner boxes and other accessories. MegaSnake nests together for easy material handling and low-cost shipping. Solar SnakeLock cable hangers offer an all-weather, fast, and cost-effective solution for managing cables. Our variety of cable hangers can convey feeder and/or string cables with designs that securely attach to the messenger wire or torque tubes. When it snows and gets cold, the Snake-Tray Solar Panel Ice Guard is the ideal solution to help guard against ice and snow falling off the solar panel. The universal mounting system works with any solar panel and quickly installs. Snake-Tray is manufactured using our very own rooftop solar array. We are the first in our industry to utilize solar power in manufacturing. All Snake-Tray products are proudly made in the US and are shipped worldwide.